Okay, people, I'm starting to smell a rat. I don't know where the rat is, whether it's with the prosecution or the judge. The Dylan Roof murder trial jury selection has been moved all the way to January of 2017. Now, normally when someone commits as heinous of a crime as this one, you pretty much want to get this trial into play as soon as possible. Now, this guy murdered people last year, and they're going to move the jury selection, not the trial, just the jury selection, into next year. And I don't understand how this is going down, because you would think that the prosecution at the minimum would want to get this thing going. But I notice a pattern. Anytime there's a trial that would benefit the defendant or the police by delaying it, it's been done. Now, there's another issue here. And let me play the clip first before I come up with the additional issue.
Suspect in South Carolina church shooter Dylan Roof moves jury selection back to January. Now that gives prosecution and defense lawyers more time to prepare for trial. He's accused of killing 9 people last year at a predominantly black church in Charleston.
Now, why is it suspected? There's no ifs, ands, or buts about this boy killing those people, and everybody knows that. But let me throw an additional monkey wrench into this. The judge says that the prosecution lacks a key element in order to go forward. A federal judge ruled Thursday that the government's indictment of Dylan Roof did not thoroughly explain a key element of the shooting suspect's alleged crimes. And again, they're not alleged. U.S. District Judge Robert Gergel ordered prosecutors to file a bill of particulars, a detailed explanation of 12 of the 33 charges against Roof in the June 2015 attack that killed 9 black worshipers at Emmanuel AME Church. His order came in response to a request by Roof's lawyers and despite opposition from the government, which voiced concern that it would reveal too much information and give the defense an advantage at Roof's death penalty trial. The dispute centered on the religious rights charges that make Roof eligible for execution. His defense attorney said the indictment didn't explain how the crimes would carry through the use of interstate commerce, a necessary component allowing the federal authorities to prosecute Roof. The indictment simply stated that Roof's actions were in and affected interstate commerce. Such commerce can include acts like using a cell phone and transporting items across state lines. The indictment mentioned Roof's use of an internet manifesto to spread his beliefs of white supremacy and his purchase of a gun and ammunition in Colombia. In fighting the defense request, prosecutors said those mentions provided enough information about the crime's connection to interstate commerce. The judge disagreed. He called the commerce connection an essential element of the offense and said the indictment provides no explanation for that key component according to the ruling. The judge said Roof's attorneys must have that information to prepare a defense. Roof's defense team also has asked the judge to dismiss those counts of the indictment because the commerce connection doesn't exist, though Gergel has not ruled on that issue. So there's a bunch of stuff that's going on here, and I'm not liking what I'm hearing.